Hello everyone. Today we'll learn about Consumer Rights and Consumer Protection Act. We as buyers buy goods and services for our daily use, but sometimes we may face problems such as false advertisements, bad quality and unfair prices. To solve these issues, the government has provided various laws and rights to ensure that the consumers are treated fairly and equally. So let's understand these rights and the law in simple and better way.
ब्रो ये देख मैंने न्यू स्ट्रेटनर लिया।
यार स्ट्रेटनर तो अच्छा है बट तूने इसका सेफ्टी मेजर्स चेक किए हैं?
नहीं, मैंने बस इसका आउटर लुक अपीयरेंस देख के ले लिया।
बट यू हैव टू इंश्योर द सेफ्टी लाइक ISI मार्क। तो ये जब भी आप कोई प्रोडक्ट परचेज करते हो तो इसमें आपको उसकी सेफ्टी मेजर करनी पड़ती है, लाइक इज इट तेरे लिए सेफ है या नहीं है।
नहीं, मैंने ये सब बिल्कुल नहीं चेक किया।
एग्जैक्टली बिकॉज ये कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट में ऑलरेडी मेंशन है राइट टू सेफ्टी एक्ट, जिसमें हमें इंश्योर है कि अगर कस्टमर कुछ भी परचेज कर रहा है तो उसको अपनी सेफ्टी इंश्योर करनी है।
ओके
यस।
So guys, do you know why these things are written tiny over there? Because that's your right to informed first right of Consumer Act. You have to know what is the ingredient and the quantity of this packet. So be safe and stay alert about it.
Navjot, look, I have bought a new phone.
Have you taken insurance with this phone?
Actually, I don't. I have the right to choose.
It is not their store policy.
Yeah, it was their store policy, but store policy does not exceed the law. According to the law, I have the right to choose the price, the brand, and whether I want these extra services or not. Consumer is the king of their own wallet.
Ever felt like you're shouting in a void when service is terrible? The manager is busy, they say, but your right to be here is something else. Is a bank, an airline, or a restaurant. They must have a form to listen your grievance.
ब्रो देख, मैंने 2 दिन पहले घड़ी ली थी यार, आज खराब हो गई है।
Oh really? You have right to seek redressal.
ब्रो व्हाट इज दैट?
It means if your product is defective, then you can ask for refund or return.
सो आई वांट टू फाइट फॉर दैट।
Absolutely. If the shopkeeper don't help you, then you can go to consumer court.
ओके।
Yes.
Consumer courts in India, established under the Consumer Protection Act 2019, provides a fast, affordable, and quasi-judicial mechanism for consumer to resolve disputes regarding unfair trade practices, defective products, or deficient services. They decide cases, award compensations, orders replacements, or issue refunds.
यार तो क्या ये बोरिंग सा आर्टिकल पढ़ रही है?
ये बोरिंग आर्टिकल नहीं है, राइट टू कंज्यूमर एजुकेशन के बारे में है। अगर मुझे अपने राइट्स ही नहीं पता होंगे तो बेसिकली आई एम एन इजी टारगेट फॉर स्कैम्स।
But isn't it just about the big stuff like cars?
नो, इट्स फॉर एवरीथिंग, फॉर ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग, हॉस्पिटल बिल्स, इवन कि हमारे कॉलेज की फीस भी।
अच्छा, really?
हाँ, इट्स वेरी सिंपल, लाइक नोइंग द लॉस मेक यू स्मार्ट ग्राहक।
Talk about the rights, but let us talk about the duty, the bill. Without a bill, consumer rights are just like a car without a wheel. They won't get you anywhere. Always assist for the cash memo, that is the bill of your purchase. If your TV falls or shoe fall apart, the bill is a ticket to refund. Don't just walk away when they say save the tax, no bill. Be the responsible customer and ask for it.